today's video, or today's like 50th video or something, I'm going to be explaining to you why I don't like the A380 so much. Like, I'm pretty sure many YouTubers have done this video before. Well, mostly on AVH YouTubers done this before probably. But I'm about to tell you my side of the story. Like, mostly I don't really like Airbus. Like Airbus, Boeing. What's the difference, you ask? I feel like Boeing's better. Like Dreamliners from Boeing. Like the 747 from Boeing. All those good planes. And then you think about Airbus. Does Airbus have any long haul airliners? Well, like you can do A350 for example, but I'm pretty sure that you have also the 787 Dreamliner that is a lot better, I'd say. Like, I think Airbus has, well, I mean, they have a plane that's the biggest selling aircraft in the world, which is, of course, the A320 Neo. And yeah, the A320 Neo has something to do with shark wingtips or something. I forgot. So yeah, here's why I don't like the Airbus A380 that much. Like, one, because I don't really like Airbus at all. I don't know why. Like, I've been on Airbus A320 so much times in my life, but I just don't seem to like it. I don't know why. No, I mean, like, the A320 is a nice plane and all, but there's a thing with Airbus A380. Look at the gear. It's facing forward, not backward like the A330, the 777. And we're overrunning, which I hope we don't do, and that is a super smooth landing. Just kidding, it's not. So yeah, if we try to go to gear cam, which is right here, we'll see it. No, like, I like the spoilers. It goes like 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I mean, like, it's not a community creation. Like, community creations take up to like 5 to 10 seconds. No, not 10 seconds, like 5 seconds to put up their things. Or down their spoilers. So yeah, let's land without an overrun. Yeah, the gear facing forward makes it harder landings, which I do not like. I hate it that it has forward landing. I like it when it goes back. The only thing I like about Airbus is A330, of course, which like everybody likes. That's the only thing I like about Airbus. It's their A330. Then Boeing has the 777, which also has tilted landing gear. The A330 has it like so much more. Look at that. You can't do a normal good landing with it. Look at that. Look at that. Now if I go to like an A330, which is also Airbus, yeah, we're at Princess Juliana Airport. Always want to go there. No, we do not need to reverse this. Oh yeah, time to butter. By the way, this is the airport I used the A330 to make my Swiss 001, hashtag Swiss 001 landing. It was like my 3rd video of all time. Yeah. Here's also where I made the A330 how to crash video. Sadly. Yeah, come on. Left. Come on, guys. No, we're too high. But 150, 40, 30, 20, 10. Come on. Yeah, as you can see, the A330 is probably one of the okay things in GeoFS. This is mostly the reasons I don't like Airbus and the Airbus A380. Also, the Airbus A380 is 2 stories tall, which is huge. And it's very hard to control, too. Yeah, once we're about to butter this thing, I'll show you what I mean. Right after we butter, well, hopefully butter, this thing. Come on, turn, buddy, turn. Nice, turn. Yeah, this thing is also uncontrollable. Yeah, nice tilted landing gear. So yeah, as we can see, the Airbus A380 is 2 stories tall. It's huge. It's very hard to control. Like, I'm turning this, that, it's very hard. Unlike, for example, 747, right here, it's, I think, a lot easier to control. This is Boeing's biggest plane, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Boeing's biggest plane. And it's retired, sadly. Whoever made this, good job. Because I'm pretty sure if you didn't make this, it'd be a whole lot more 747s, which would just clog up the community contributed thing. So yeah. Spoilers spoil the landing. Okay, just kidding, they don't. Pilots go crazy. Okay, we can't land that either. Well, you get it. I don't like Airbus. Boeing for life. Yeah, here's another reason I don't like A380. Like, yeah, sure, they get a lot of money from all the different seats. There are a lot of seats in the A380. And it's really unsafe, I'd say, for the A380. Like, a lot of people spreading the germs. Like, you gotta see. Here, like, you have a lot less chance of getting sick on this thing because it has 3 seats. Just kidding. This is because it's a freighter plane. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon in another video. And yeah, those are a few reasons I don't like Airbus A380 and Airbus in general. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Like, subscribe. Bye!